Hi everyone, it's me, Nicole. Today I'm continuing with PHP programming and the very short video on a nested for loop. A nested for loop means I'll be using two for loops in order to create a nested loop, and it will come out with this output. So here, as you can see, I'm using the alias symbol, and there are 10 rows of alias symbol, and the first row with 1, and then incrementally have 2 second row and 3 alias symbol on the third row and fourth, and so forth. So we have a 10 rows and 10 columns. Over here, I have started this programming with my Sublime editor. You can basically use other editors such as Dreamweaver, such as Bracket, and such as Atom, Eclipse, Visual Studio Code. Yeah, I'm using a Sublime. I have done a structure of basic HTML with a doc type, open HTML, closing, open body, closing HTML. So I'm have also saved this as a triangle in order to achieve the outcome. I name it as triangle.php and save under a folder, and I have it on my MEM server. So as I program, I save, it will show the output on the left. Alright, let's get started with our PHP block. And end with a question mark bracket. This is a PHP block. I'm going to space out so that I can add in more codes here. So as I say, we are going to do for loops. But before that, let's create the first for loop. For, and then bracket, round bracket, and a curly bracket. Alright, so I'm going to space out the curly bracket in order to put in more statement. As I say, for loop, there are 3 conditional statement. So where should you start? I will just give a variable to loop for. So a variable, I want to start with row. Alright, row start with 1, the first row, and then semicolon, and then the second condition, which is where should I stop. So as you see the previous triangle, they have 10 rows, so I'm going to stop row when it reach row number 10, less or equals to 10, and semicolon. I'm ready for the third condition statement, which is each row it will loop once and incrementally. That is incremental condition. That is row plus plus. So you will notice the conditional statements also refer to the same variable, which is row, dollar sign row, dollar sign row, dollar sign row. So now we have to make sure how the loop is run for under these 3 conditions. Alright, so each row I would like to have a line break, so I will just echo and semicolon. I just echo a line break, BR, a line break. So, and I will just space out. Alright, so if you just have one row, so you would like to see how does it look like, I will just echo something. I just echo the alias sign first. Alright, this is one row. Save, and I'm ready to refresh the page and run it. Alright, as you see here, it gives you 10 alias sign, 10 symbols, because I say I want 10 rows. That's why it gave me 10 rows. and after each alias it will have a line break. All right, let's in order to get the incremental triangle like this, so I want to add a nested loop that cover this. All right, so I'm going to add a for loop, for bracket and curly bracket. So I'm going to delete the closing because I want to wrap up here. All right, I want to wrap up here. So open here, close here. All right. So this is the nested for loop. Nested means inside you have another one. So nested for loop. So in the second for loop, I'm going to create another variable called column, COL. So I'm going to start with column 1 again, and then semicolon, $sign column less than equals to 10, and $sign column plus plus. All right. So what it means here, right? Besides that row, and each row I want to have 10 columns. So I'm going to create this and save. And when you see this, when we load the page, you will see we have 10 rows and 10 columns. Each row means that we run inside when we are, for each row we run one time of a column. That's why it gives you this. This is a square. It's pretty close to our triangle, incremental triangle. So what you have to do is just a slight changes. If you want to do a triangle, incremental triangle, so you have to change the under the columns here to $sign row. So it means that each time it will it will increase 1 based on how it runs the row. All right, so we just refresh. Data, this is the output that we wanted. So if you think that your code is not neat and tidy, you can basically in Sublime, you can go to line, re-indent, then it will give you a very neat look. So that is a very short video on the nested loop. Nested loop means 2 loops. You have the outer loop to loop the row, and you have the inner loops to basically loop the columns. Alright, if you like this video, if you cannot solve this problem, I have the source code under the description. You can check it out. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this short video, and do subscribe to my channel. You turn your notification on and like my video. Alright, bye.